Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying basics so you don't chase ghosts. First, make sure airplane mode is off and the Wi-Fi toggle in settings network is on. Once done, reboot both the PC and the router, unplug for 30 seconds and plug back in because many issues clear with a power cycle. Then open the network list and confirm your SSID appears and shows adequate signal. If the network is hidden, prepare the exact SSID and password for manual entry. Now dig into Windows. Run the built-in network troubleshooter under Settings Network and Internet to catch common misconfigurations. Next, open Device Manager, locate the wireless adapter, and choose Update Driver. If issues persist, uninstall the adapter and restart so Windows reinstalls it automatically. You should also reset networking stacks. Open an elevated command prompt and run netch int IP reset followed by netch winsock reset, then restart. These steps fix corrupted drivers, protocol stacks, and lingering software conflicts. Finish by using network reset in Settings Network and Internet Advanced Network Settings to clear saved networks and adapters. This restores defaults and often resolves stubborn issues. Then check the router. Ensure DHCP is enabled and firmware is current, and switch bands between 4 GHz and 5 GHz to identify radio problems. Make sure to test connectivity with another device or tether your phone to isolate PC versus router faults. If nothing works, one key tip: boot the PC into safe mode with networking to rule out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.